Hello everyone, welcome to another session on coordinate geometry. In this session we are going to learn the section formula. So let's quickly begin by understanding what happens with most of the Mumbaikars to understand the section formula better. So you have the school of a child which is very far away from the office in which the father works. And the problem is the distance is very big, it's approximately 21 kilometers. You want to buy a house or rent a house at a place where it is a little closer to the school, so that सुबह सुबह बच्चों को स्कूल जाने के लिए ज़्यादा ट्रैवल ना करना पड़े. So you want that घर ऑफिस से भी बहुत दूर नहीं हो, but it is still closer to the school. You choose it at a place which is suppose 9 kilometers from the school and your house is 12 kilometers from your office. You come to this conclusion that okay, this is maybe a good place. I have to balance both of them. I will try to be a little closer to the school, however. So you had to find a place in between the two places. Now we are going out of this place and coming into to understand कि ये जो distance हमने बात की, ठीक है, 9 kilometer and 12 kilometer. If I say that this is in the ratio 3:4, ratio का मतलब क्या होता है? When I divide 9 by 12, I will get the fraction 3:4. तो ये जो घर है बीच में, it is dividing this entire line of 21 kilometers in the ratio 3:4. ठीक है, तो 9 और 12 को जब सिंपल टर्म्स में लिखते हैं फ्रैक्शंस बना के, the ratio is 3:4. From here if I go to the graph paper now, तो अभी हम लोग actual map से उठ के graph paper पे आ गए, and I say that the position of my school is A point which is x1 y1 on the graph paper and the office is point B which is x2 y2. I have to locate the position of the house. मुझे पता करना है कि house का position क्या है. Suppose I say that the house is located at a point P जिसके coordinates है x and y, and जैसे previous case में था, it is known to me that the point P is dividing the line AB in the ratio 3:4. तो ये ratio मुझे पता है. I have to find the value of x and y. What we are going to do using the section formula is not only for 3:4 ratio, but for any ratio m:n. So I have a line AB which is divided by a point P in the ratio m:n. Section formula says कि ये जो x है इसकी वैल्यू होगी m into x2. तो ये m है, m को x2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे प्लस n into x1, देखो क्रॉस चलेगा, ठीक है, उल्टा चलेगा, डिवाइडेड बाय m प्लस n. और y क्या होगा? y will be m into y2 प्लस n into y1 whole divided by m plus n. This takes us to the section formula that coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 in the ratio m:n is given by the formula this. So this is the entire part which was used to calculate the x, and this is the entire part which was used to calculate the y. Okay, keep on pausing the video and keep on writing it. There is no other PDF which will help you to write this. So this is what the section formula says. Pause and write this down. Let's solve some example to understand this better. Suppose I have a question in which I have 2 points A and B. There is a point Q which divides the segment AB in the ratio 2:3. I have to find the coordinates of Q. These are the direct questions of section formula. Okay. Now to solve this question, let's first represent this using a diagram. So what is given to me is I have 2 points 3,5 and 7,9. Please make this 9. This is not 7,5. This is 7,9. And I am dividing it by a point Q. Okay, this is 7,9. I am again mentioning. So I am dividing it at a point Q. And Q is dividing this line in the ratio 2:3. तो ये जो first part है ये 2 है. Second part जो ये 3 है. ओके, तो ये पार्ट ऑब्वियसली छोटा होगा सेकेंड पार्ट से, दैट इज वाई क्यू इज अ लिटिल क्लोजर टू ए. आप देखो, सो दिस इज 2 parts, दिस इज 3 parts, द रेशियो इज 2:3. आई हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई एंड हेंस आई हैव टू टेल कि क्यू के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है. How do we solve that? So first of all, we will write what is given: x1, y1, x2, y2 and m and n. All these values are given to us. You can keep on pausing and writing the solutions. From here then, according to the section formula, x is given as mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. See, we are cross multiplying, okay? अगर ये मेरा m है तो ये वाले नंबर को सेकेंड नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं and this number is multiplied with the first one. It goes cross. So it is 2 into 7 plus 3 into 3 divided by 2 plus 3. तो जब x की बात करते हैं तो खाली x कैलकुलेट करते हैं. Now what do? I will first multiply. Remember the bod mass? I will first multiply this. I will first multiply this. So this is 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 9, that is 23. That divided by 5. So 23 divided by 5 is your first answer for x. You can leave it as fraction over here. Doing the same thing for y now. Again, m into y2. So it is 2 into 5. That is 2 into 9. I am sorry. The question here was 9. So 2 into 9 plus 3 into 5 divided by 2 plus 3. 2 into 9 is 18. 3 into 5 is 15. 18 plus 15 is 33. So 33 upon 5. So you got the value of x. You got the value of y. And the final answer is coordinates of Q are 23 upon 5 and 33 upon 5. This is the first part or the first question. Let's solve another solved example to understand this better. Now we have a point T that divides the line segment AB in the ratio 7:2. So again I have 2 points A and B. A is minus 7, 4. B is minus 6, minus 5. And the point T is this time closer to B. क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो कोऑर्डिनेट दिया है 7:2. So this point is 7 and this part is 2. We are going to use the same formula again using section formula. X is calculated as mx2, 7 into minus 6 plus 2 into minus 7. 7 into minus 6 you do get minus 42 and then this is minus 14. So minus 42 minus 14 is minus 56. And that divided by 9. This is the first part, which is x. Similarly, we solve for the second part, which is y. So 7 into minus 5, 2 into 4. That gives you minus 35 plus 8. That is minus 27 by 9, which on division is going to give you minus 3. Hence, my final statement becomes the coordinates of T are minus 56 upon 9 and minus 3. Very simple direct questions of section formula we have solved. Now I am putting on screen some try yourself questions. Please pause, write down the questions. First question is a direct question just the way you solved. The second question is also direct question. Second question बोल रहा है कि in every case you are given a segment PQ. तो ये PQ given है आपको and PQ is divided by a point A and the ratio in which point A divides is 2:1. तो ये क्वेश्चन क्या है? ये दो पॉइंट्स गिवन है, ये रेशियो गिवन है, बीच का पॉइंट है ए, आपको ए के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करने हैं. अगेन पी क्यू इज गिवन, रेशियो इज गिवन, यू हैव टू फाइंड ए इन बिटवीन विच डिवाइड्स इन दिस रेशियो. Again PQ is given, another ratio is given. So all these are direct formulas only which you have to put and substitute the value to get the answer. The answers that you will get are, for the first one it will be 1,3. For the second, all three parts the answer has been shown over here. So please pause the video, write the answers down somewhere, then solve your questions and check whether you are getting the correct answer or not. If you are not, we will be taking up it in the next class when we meet together. Thank you so much everyone. Have a nice day.